Hi, this video will show you how to install call recordings on Nokia 7.2 with Android 10. First, you install Bobis Recorder from Play Store. Then you go to Settings, Call Settings, Manually Record Calls and check Hotkey. Thereafter, go to Phone Settings, tap Accessibility, choose Bobis Call Recorder and then turn on the service. Then come back to Bobis and go to Set Default Settings, tap OK, then go to Call Settings again, Record Mode, choose Mode 1 and then tap Fix Recording Issues and check Tune Audio Effect. Up to here you are done. During a call, you need to press a button on the dial pad to start the recording, and you need to use a speaker mode, else the call will not be recorded. Thank you for watching. Bye.